Projects can be really busy places at times and get really hectic. Make sure you walk our projects, ask yourself, is it safe? If it's not, let's make it safe. Hi, David Reese here with Ladder Safety for you today. Always maintain 3-point contact when going up and down a ladder. That means using at least one of your hands at all times with your 2 feet as you ascend or descend your ladder. Okay team, we're going to follow up with the OSHA initiative on ladder safety for the month of March. We're going to start off by selecting the correct ladder for our use today. We've already done that, so now we're going to move into inspection for this ladder. We're going to inspect all the labels on both sides to make sure they're correct. We're going to look at the rungs to make sure they're not bent, warped, make sure the side rails are not cracked, make sure it's got cleats on the bottom and they're secure. To follow up with the rest of our inspection on this ladder, we want to make sure that we stay off the top 2 rungs. From there, we're going to maintain 3-point contact at all times, stay within the confines of the ladder when we're doing our work. And whatever you do, remember you're the reason safety's first at Polk Mechanical.